Starting with CORSAIR iCUE version 3.27, you can now change your system's fan lighting layout through software. To get started, go to the Lighting Setup tab of your iCUE-compatible lighting controller and configure your lighting channels if you haven't already. For this example, we'll be using 6 RGB fans on a lighting node core. You'll notice that each fan has its own tile in the preview, and they're labeled by the physical port that fan is connected to on your controller. For best results, match the LED position in iCUE in relation to the LED indicator on the physical fan. You can change the order of your fans by clicking and dragging each fan tile into the desired position. When looking at the preview window, iCUE lighting animations will proceed sequentially from the leftmost fan to the rightmost fan. Whatever fan layout you've configured for your system will now apply to the Lighting Channel tab. Note that the fan orientation and order you've set up will only be applied while iCUE is running. If you close out the software completely, your fan lighting will revert back to its original hardware configuration. And that's it, you've customized the order and orientation of your RGB fans in CORSAIR iCUE. For more information about our RGB fans, check us out at corsair.com. Thanks for watching.